Here are the ingredients: dried taro leaves, shrimp paste, coconut cream, Thai chili, onion, ginger, pork. Pour the coconut milk into the saucepan. Once it simmers, add the garlic and ginger. Now add the onions. You can use yellow or red. Add the pork. Stir the ingredients to ensure they do not stick to the pan. Once it simmers, add the shrimp paste, or you can substitute with fish sauce. The shrimp paste adds color and flavor to the dish. Add chili peppers to your liking. Traditionally, this dish is made with lots of chilies. If using a traditional pan, you may have to stir more. Turn down the heat. Separate the leaves before incorporating into the dish. Avoid washing the leaves to maximize the flavor. Let the leaves stay on top of the dish. Cover, wait a few minutes, and then stir. Mix well. You can now add the coconut cream. This is the last ingredient. Halu and long mabuti. Continue mixing. Bring to a simmer. You're now done, and you have your homemade laing.